What is up, you guys? It's your girl Kaylee from ZippNada, a sustainable lifestyle brand, and today I am reviewing a cleaning product, the Home Cleaning Scrub by Meliora. Let's get into it. So I've been using this cleaning scrub for a couple weeks, and this review is based off of company responsibility. Viewed their website. If you want to stay tuned later, I have a couple screenshots of their website. It is based off product usability, how I personally feel about the product after using it for a while, and lastly, the packaging, how the product is packaged. So I'm just gonna dive right into the ratings. Okay, so based on their website, I would give their company responsibility a 10 out of 10. They have evidence, which is a big key thing. They don't have just the flashy greenwashing words. They have evidence, they have certifications, they have reports, they have transparency, which are all things that I need to evaluate a company and that the consumer should know when researching to purchase a product. So as far as company responsibility, 10 out of 10. Usability on this specific product, I've only tried the Gentle Home Cleaning Scrub, which is a powder. As far as usability, I'm gonna have to give them like a 2 or 3 out of 10. And the reason why I'm so harsh on just this product, and I may like some of their other cleaning products, the reason why I'm going to give it this rating is because I used it as instructed, and I don't feel like it was a convenient product. It is, I would consider, quite pricey compared to alternatives. I bought mine at $8.99, and I got it at West of 3rd here in Kingman. If you are local to Kingman or Havasu, West of 3rd is an amazing little sustainable hippie hub. You should definitely check it out. Relatively, I would consider kind of pricey, not something that I would purchase again. So I was excited, but unfortunately, based on the instructions, as you can see right here, it says wet surface, sprinkle and scrub, rub with a wet sponge and cloth, rinse. I don't think it cleaned that well. It was not convenient to use. It left kind of a residue. I did not feel like it was clean. I know feeling like it's clean is kind of weird, but as a consumer, you want to feel like your stuff is clean. So I did not feel like the surfaces were clean. I was not impressed with it. However, I will continue to use this. Or not continue to use this. I will use up this one that I bought because I'm not going to waste it. I use it in my toilet as a toilet bowl scrubber, and I like it as that. I just don't like it as a multi-surface home cleaning scrub as they advertise. I did not like it. It's basically just like baking soda. I feel like you could make this, to be quite honest, for the price and how it works. If you want a really fancy toilet bowl cleaner that's like mostly baking soda and essential oils, then have at it. I feel like there are personally better products on the market, and that's why I'm kind of so critical about this one's usability. But all in all, the company or corporate responsibility, 10 out of 10. Packaging, 10 out of 10. They nailed it. Even just like the labeling that they have is just beautifully done. It has all the important information, is very easy to read. I'll try and give you a close-up. So they have, you know, like the instructions, their certifications, ingredients, common name. So they break down the ingredients, which is what I love about that. Just, you know, basic information. So it is beautifully done packaging. I'm just not a fan of the usability aspect of this particular product. I would definitely give this company a try again in some of their other products. This one just didn't work for me. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching. Let me know what other products you would like me to review. I do have a Patreon now. If you'd like to continue to support me in what I do, please check out our Patreon. I provide weekly vlogs, in-depth, more personal about my life. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a beautiful day.